Are you looking for free design software to create graphics? In this video, I'm going to show you my favorite tool made by Adobe. What's up, guys? Thanks for clicking on this video. My name is Nate Hibbert, and this is Wingman University, where our goal is to help you start and scale a print-on-demand business. So it is absolutely no secret that I am a huge Adobe fanboy. I basically used their programs, Photoshop and Illustrator, to build my career as a graphic designer. I've done everything from freelance all the way to working 40 hours a week in a professional setting. Currently, what I'm doing is running a print-on-demand business where I'm still using those tools, but as we've been doing this POD thing, we've been getting known in a few circles as kind of the print-on-demand people. And so through that, we started Wingman University. And one of the biggest questions that I get is, how do I create designs for print on demand? At the beginning was suggesting Photoshop and Illustrator and really diving into all of this. But as I've been teaching more and more people, I'm seeing that simpler tools are the best way to at least get you started, and either will pique your interest to keep going and learn some of the bigger tools like Photoshop and Illustrator, or it will show you that design just isn't your thing and then you want to hire somebody out. Either way, I highly suggest that you kind of start doing it yourself to get your hands dirty and understanding what it takes to do these designs. And for me, the best tool out there to learn the basics of graphic design and to feel confident that you can actually create things on your own is Adobe Spark. So to help introduce you guys to Spark and understand the program, I created a playlist for you guys of a bunch of helpful tips and tricks. In this playlist, you can expect to see things all the way from the beginning of how to remove the watermark that Adobe puts on every image, from how to add text, how to resize that text, how to add images and icons and resize both of those things, to some of the more complicated things like understanding order and how that all works together. And I'm going to end this playlist with how I'm actually using this tool for our print-on-demand business. So now that you know what is coming up inside of this playlist, you can get started by clicking this video here. And in that video, we're going to show you how to sign up for Spark and a 10,000-foot view of the website. And if you'd like to stay up to date with what we have going on as far as print-on-demand videos coming out, you can subscribe to this channel. But until the next one, I'll see you guys around. You can subscribe, but